Botswana, South Africa. So I started my episode 6 vlog actually 1 week in advance of when I wanted to start it, because next week this time we should be home for Christmas. This will be the first time in 5 years that we will be home for Christmas. So before we can go home, we need to do a few things. Obviously it's not normal year. This is not just jump on a plane and go home or get in the car and drive. There's a few things that need to happen. Phase 1, and that's doing a COVID test. Phase 2, pick up our vehicle we're driving down to South Africa. Phase 3, we're about to go pick up our COVID test. Phase 4 now, leaving Mount and driving. Hello. It's the first time she's sort of like fully on the vlog. I think she's a little bit shy. It's not an easy thing to do, talking to a camera the whole time. Are you a bit shy of being on the vlog? Yeah, she's shy. I can't see anything. Phase 1 is done. How do you feel?
I'm a bit violated.
Hey? We've just done our COVID test, so that's phase 1 done. Now we need to wait for results, which will be within 24 hours. But now we can go pick up our car. Audio on it. It's gonna be loud. On phase 2 of our plan, collecting our a lot of water. Collecting our vehicle we're driving down for a friend. Ready to meet Hannes. This is the car we're driving down. There's no windows. It's an old game viewer. They've removed the roof. They've removed some of the back seats. It's got no windows. At least it's got a roof. It normally doesn't have a roof on. So this is gonna be our vehicle we'll be driving down for the next 2 days. And we're in the middle of December. Like you can see outside. It's rainy season. We're gonna get rain on the way. Let's see how Hannes starts. Keys. Oh shit, I gotta get used to driving an automatic manual again. Oh shit, that's the wrong one. There we go. First start. This is gonna be epic. Wipers are working, that's a good thing in the rain. Well, they work sort of. Got it. Done it. Is it? Negative. Phase 3 is completed. So we got our test now. Need to do a few other admin things in town quickly. Then we can load up the car and then we can go. Continue on to phase 4. Woo! COVID test failed. Yes! Or passed. Which one's a good one? I don't know. But we're allowed to pass a border. Are we ready to... What's this phase 4 now? Leaving Mount and driving. Got our COVID tests. We got our passports.
And the interzonal permit.
Got I forgot about that, but we got that. We need to have interzonal permits because of COVID still, so to drive from Mount to wherever we're going, we need a permit, but that's fine. We got that sorted. Car papers we got. Are you ready to do this?
Let's do this.
Okay.
Their minds
Here we go.
don't live here anymore. They've been sold, raped, torn, now old. Ooh, ooh.
sort of guessing where we're going. Well, Ma's got a Google Maps there, but obviously we don't have reception anywhere. And we've only driven this road once before, and that was with a friend. So I guess we're still on the right road. We almost actually just skipped the turn off, which would have had a very big detour.
El tango de la muerte. Now to the crowd. Ooh. Ooh. So fast yet slow. Gonna go in now. Surf the void unemployed. I'll see you later when the flash floods come. I'll see you later when the pie sees you up.
We've just done about 300 kilometers now. Everything is going well. We're enjoying old Hannes here. It's quite a pleasant drive, although there's one thing. So it's got no insulation, it's just got rubberizing to make it more waterproof. And the whole road we're getting the heat from the bottom up. It's like driving with the heater on. Plus we expected at least a bit of rain. Well, we sort of prepped for it. The last few days in Maun and in the Delta around, we've had a lot of rain. So we expected the whole road to be covered in rain. We haven't had a drop yet. Getting dark and we're trying to find accommodation. Trying to find accommodation in Palapi. This is where we'll be sleeping tonight. We've got about 1 kilometer to go. This is what it's supposed to be. And according to the GPS, this is where it should be. This should be it. Is that a double-story building?
Yeah.
No, this is only single stories here.
Where the roads end, the straight one.
Yeah.
Just take your right hand, you just go straight.
The other
Until
way.
you see the town there.
Yeah.
It's 4 o'clock and we're on to day 2 of our adventure to get home. This is not a phase technically, it's just a day. So when we actually arrived in Palapi last night, Google took us to like a completely wrong spot. We actually arrived when it was still light, and then we took an extra another 40-45 minutes detour just to get to the spot. After 6-hour drives, another 45 minutes of driving around in the village in small roads where you can't turn around. It's quite annoying. What we got here, we had dinner and then went straight to bed. We were quite tired, so let's pack our bags and then take on day 2.
You got me acting out. You, oh, tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cool. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. Promise me roses and a hungry haze, but now there's only madness.
5 is crossing the border back into South Africa. We've got our COVID test, we've got our passports, got the papers for the car. So let's hope this goes well. We'll speak to you on the other side.
It's a dream, the worst kind you've ever dreamed. Don't wanna lay another night here. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. Please don't make me do it.
We're safely in Pretoria. We made it. So we're dropping off our vehicle here. Not gonna lie to you, it was a bit of a drive. It was another 5 hours drive today, well, including the border crossing. The last 100 kilometers before Pretoria was a bit rough. My mirror, it flicks closed like that. So every time I need to overtake a car or something, I need to flip it out, have a quick look, and then flip it, and then it just flips back in. Quite warm, we're quite sticky and hot. The heat radiating from the bottom, the gearbox and the engine. Basically trying with the heater on your legs the whole time. We've done 1,100 kilometers from yesterday 12 o'clock. People drive quite fast here. We're not used to driving fast. We're living in the bush for the last 5 years, so people come speeding past you, and I can't really see behind me because the car's made for the bush. It's not made to do 100, 120 on the highways. I think the hottest spot is done, so it's time for a cold beer. Past 3 in the morning. We're getting used to this waking up early and leaving early. It's almost like we're running a dodgy scheme or something. Fly by night. 3:30 in the morning. We're traveling light, supposedly, and we don't have any space for our jacket, so we need to wear it. If it doesn't fit, put it on.
Platform for the aircraft has come to a complete stop, and the captain has been short for seatbelt sign.
I hope you enjoyed episode 6 of my vlog. I'll put a link up here to my other videos from flying, camping, fishing, all the type of things we get up to in and around the Okavango Delta. If you like these type of things, please subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, my name is Ian and this is my vlog.